Hi, it's Andy here at Photech Video. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the new SG Image 25mm F1.8 Autofocus APS-C lens, which has an all-metal body and cost me less than $100 new. We'll be checking out its features, the image quality, and whether or not it lives up to the hype. So first of all, this image is not sponsored. I bought this lens with my own money, and the opinions which I express here are my own. So let's talk about this SG Image 25mm F1.8 Autofocus APS-C lens, which was released only about a month ago in July or August of 2025. It has an all-metal body and an attractive color focus ring, which actually comes in 4 different colors. I chose the copper color as that was the one that I liked. It's available in different lens mounts. My copy is for the Sony E-mount system. I have it coupled here to my Sony A5100, which is a 10-year-old entry-level mirrorless camera, which is my favorite travel camera because it's so small and it's so comfortable to use. This SG Image 25mm F1.8 is specifically designed for APS-C sensor cameras. If I'm not mistaken, I believe it's also available for a series of other lens mount systems, including the Fuji X mount, the Canon EF M mount, Micro Four Thirds, the Nikon Z mount, the Leica L mount, and the Canon RF mount. Now don't take my word 100% for this, I may be wrong on 1 or 2 of those mounts. Believe me, it's not easy to find information about this lens at the moment, as it was only released just over a month ago. While the lens is designed for the APS-C format, if you do use it on a full frame camera on some of the mounts which I mentioned earlier, the camera will automatically crop the image to the APS-C format. This lens is super compact and lightweight. It's just 1.3 inches long, which is 32 millimeters, 2.8 inches in diameter, which is 72 millimeters, and it weighs just 5.1 ounces, which is only 145 grams, which is great for carrying around all day. It has a 52 millimeter filter thread, and the autofocus, which uses a stepping motor, is surprisingly fast and accurate, even in low light, and it's pretty quiet too. It has a minimum focus distance of 12 inches or about 30 centimeters, and it has a USB-C connection for firmware updates. There's a standard version with this plastic lens cap, and then there's a bundle version which has a metal lens cap and also a metal lens hood. Now the image quality is where this lens really shines. The f1.8 aperture creates a beautiful bokeh or out of focus background and foreground, and the sharpness is excellent, especially in the center of the frame. We'll take a look at some sample photos and video so that you can see for yourself. So there you go, you can see for yourself the images which this tiny, almost pancake-like lens can create on a 10-year-old entry-level mirrorless camera, and make your own decision. I'm not going to pixel peep to see if the corners are softer or not. I'll leave that to those of you who may be interested in that feature. Remember, this is a $100 lens, not a $1,000 lens. So my expectations are geared to the lens price. Personally, I'm very happy with the images that this lens produces, as well as its size, weight, and the look of the lens. And of course the price itself, which is excellent value. I particularly like the sharp subject, as well as the autofocus background and foreground which it produces, and its small, portable size, making it the perfect partner for my Sony a5100. I'll put an affiliate link to the lens in the description section down below, as well as affiliate links to other gear used in the making of this video. As an Amazon associate, I may earn a small commission on qualifying purchases. However, the price to you will still be the same. Please leave any comments or questions which you may have in the comment section down below. I always answer your comments, so if you do make a comment, if you do leave a question, I will get back to you. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this review helpful. Don't forget to like and share this video, and subscribe to my channel for more gear reviews and photography tips. So until the next time, this is Andy at Photech Video signing off. Take care and be safe, and see you in the next video.